Okay, we're going to go over how you would create an account for CleanScope if you don't have an account. The first thing you're going to do is once you get to the home page here, you're going to click on sign up. It's going to send you here, and we're going to just create a test account. And here you're going to need at least 8 characters, so we're just going to create a dummy email. And keep in mind, if you do not, it will let you know if you do not have the same password. So then you just click create account. Okay, then here it's going to ask you for your first name and last name, and here I'm just going to type John. I'm going to create something. Okay, and we're going to give the trade. Your trade can be anything. What we're going to use, it could, as you can see, it could be flooring, general contracting. We're going to pick general contracting. And now keep in mind, that's my memory that's adding that in there. That is, it is not going to do that for you. And you would go here and you would put a location. We're going to say Jacksonville, and now we're going to say continue. Okay, and then you're going to get here, and when you get here, it's automatically going to give you 5 scopes you can do. So the next page, we're going to go over how to create a scope. Okay.